In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats in Claude AI, single or all chats. We'll walk through how to quickly remove a single conversation or clear your entire chat history, so you can keep your workspace tidy and focused. I'll keep things simple and share a few helpful pointers along the way. First, head to Claude by opening your browser and going to claude.ai/new. This page opens a fresh chat, and it's a good starting point because it puts you right inside the interface you'll use every day. Give the page a second to load so all the sidebar options are visible. Next, click the chats icon. You'll find it in the sidebar. It looks like your conversation list and takes you to your recent activity. When you open it, you'll see a list of your past chats, with the most recent ones at the top. If you don't immediately see what you're looking for, scroll through the list until the conversation you want appears. From here, you can delete a single chat. Select the conversation you want to remove to highlight it, then look for the delete option. Depending on your view, this might appear as a trash can icon, a delete button, or inside a small menu next to the chat title. Click delete, and when you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The chat will disappear from your list. Keep in mind that once it's removed from your chat history, you won't be able to bring that specific thread back. So, take a moment to be sure before you confirm. If you want to clean house in one go, you can also select all and delete all the chats. At the top of your chats list, look for the option to select everything. Once everything is selected, choose delete. You'll get a confirmation message to prevent accidental wipes. Read it carefully, then confirm to permanently clear your list. This is especially helpful if you're starting a new project and want a blank slate. Before you confirm, scan your list quickly to make sure there's nothing you still need. That's it. Go to Claude, open the Chats panel, choose a single conversation to delete, or select all to remove everything at once. With these steps, you can keep your chat history organized and clutter-free. If this was helpful, repeat the process anytime your list gets long and enjoy a cleaner, more focused workspace.